If you've submitted your application, the next step is to check your application status for the required application materials. Please log into your graduate admission account to view your checklist. If we've received your documents, it will display a green check mark. If not, it will display a red X. Please submit your required documents in the following ways. Your bank statement, letter of financial support, and transcript need to be mailed to our office by postal mail. We do not accept scanned or emailed copies. When sending your transcript, please include each individual year's mark sheet as well as the completion certificate to show that you're done with all the necessary schoolwork. Our office will do the credential evaluation in-house. If you completed undergrad in India, you'll be required to submit your individual mark sheets as well as your consolidated transcripts. The mailing address is Office of International Admission, University of Dayton, 300 College Park, Dayton, Ohio, 45469-1604. Your personal statement, essay questions, copy of passport, and recommendations can be emailed to our office at goglobalgraduate@udayton.edu. For English proficiency, please use the University of Dayton's institutional code, 1834, when requesting your scores. Should you have questions, please contact our office by phone at 855-664-5623 or email at goglobalgraduate@udayton.edu.